Hello overcomers, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a high quality coloring book in less than 15 minutes, and I'll also show you how to create a cover, and I'll also direct you on how to be able to upload this book to Amazon KDP. So by the end of this video you are set to have a book on Amazon. Many of you have been telling me how you have been struggling to create high quality images with AI. I just want to let you know that we got the solution, overcomers. I just found this company and it's been a blessing to me. All the images that we are going to be using are hand drawn. So I'm going to have a link for the company down below if you want to follow along with me. So if you come here, you click here, you'll be able to get some information about the company. I want you to know that you can use these images to create high quality coloring pages, to create high quality activity books, and you can use them to create children books. You just have to sign up and then you select your images, you create your books, and then of course you just sell it and you begin to make your profit. So to be able to have access to this website, you are going to pay $27 a month. Overcomers, you'll be amazed with the number of images that you are going to have, and they keep updating it every month with new themes. They have different kind of themes. They have different kind of information. So these are different story themes that they have images on. So the way the images come, they come with just images, and then they have backgrounds, and they also have images that have been put together with the background, and then they have also like the coloring pages, coloring images. They have the coloring background, and they also have the coloring images and the background put together. It's just so amazing. And they also have some activities. You have like dotted line, different things. In short, when you go inside, you are going to see everything. So let me sign in and just walk you through. When you create an account, it's going to bring you here. And then when I just click here, it's going to bring me in. So right now we have 20 different lessons. So these are the different lessons. So you make sure that you look at the terms and conditions. So let me just open one and show you how it works. So let's just come here. Let's take this one. And then when you open it like this, you see different things that are based on L, make it easier for you to be able to have information. So when you click on any of them, let's say we take this one for example, when you click on it like this, it's going to download. So you have these 4 files inside. When you click here and open the first one, you have PNG, and you have these other ones. You open the PNG like this. Look at all the number of files that you have just in this particular one. You have 30 different files here. So if I open the first one, you are going to see this is the first one. The images, the backgrounds have been removed. So you can take this image because it doesn't have a background. You can put it in any background. So that's how you can easily make your own content unique. When you come here and open this one, you look at here, you see that these are backgrounds, and then you also see backgrounds and characters. And this one, we have the same characters like this. We can use this in our storybooks. You can use this in many ways. You can use it for your book cover, and I'll just encourage you to take your time and explore it. There is just so much in it. I was doing my research on Publisher Rocket and I found this book. And I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And then I saw that, oh, okay, you know, it's talking about some quotes and all of this. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my own version using these images that we have downloaded. So let's go to Canva now, and I'm going to show you what to do. So now we are in Canva. So I'm going to come here to custom size. I'm just going to click here. I'll change this to inches, and I'll put 8.5 by 11 inch. So, and then I'm going to put my templates here. I've already given this template for free. If you are new to the channel and you don't have it, you can click on the description. You can check it in the description box down below. It's going to be a lifesaver for you because it's going to help you with your trim size so that Amazon will not reject your book. So now you come here to element. You just click like this. You take an element like this. You just pull it like this, and the next thing that you have to do, you just come here and then you put a border. I always just put something like 6 or 5 or 4, just so that it has that border there depending on the type of book I'm making. So now I'm just going to come here and then I'll remove this. So now we just have it like that. So I'm just going to duplicate it so I have the next page that I can use. So now on this page, what we are going to do is that we are going to come here to upload, click here on upload, and then we'll go to this upload file, and then upload all your files that you are going to be using for your book. So now when you've uploaded everything, you will have the files here. So what we are going to do is that the first thing, let's just go and look for a background. So now, for example, let's take this background. For example, we are going to take a background like this, and then we are just going to pull it here to fit inside our design. Just like that. Then the next thing that you are going to do now, you have to go and get your image. So for example, this is a secret, overcomers. So when you are creating your book now, you can take one image and put here, right? You put the image like that, you put the images like that. You just look at the background, try to make the image to fit. You can play with it and make it look unique. So you can take this one, for example, like this person that is pouring coffee, you can put her here. And then, for example, you can take this other person who is standing here and put her here as if they were talking, right? If you do something like this, your book is going to be unique. You can even decide to put a quote somewhere here, or you can even put something like a form of discussion, right? You can make it in a way as if they were even talking, and then you can put some funny things here that will make people to really be interested in your book. If you don't know how to get this information, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to get it. Let's just say, for example, that I want to include some encouraging Bible quotes for women. Come here to ChatGPT and I've put, give me short Bible verses for women. You can describe it as much as you want. So I asked ChatGPT to give me 30, and ChatGPT did this, and I just came here again and I said make it shorter. So I just want it to be like between 5 to 7 words so that we can use them in our book. This one that says the Lord is my light, I'm going to copy it like this. And now let's go back to Canva. So you can now come to text just like this. You can take any text that you want. Let's say you take this text, and then I'm just going to come here, delete what is inside, and I'll put my own thing inside. I'll change the color to black. I'll click on it like this. I'll come to effect, and I'll take this one. Now that it's like this, what I can do is that I can send the Bible verse down, and then you can have the word here, the Lord is my light. Now let's decide, let's make this one bigger. You can decide to put it in between just like this, or you can put it at the top. It just depends on you. And so you just go ahead and create your entire book. Just make sure that every time you create a coloring book, you make sure that there is one space in between like this to prevent bleeding. So now I've gone ahead, I've created my entire book, and I have 101 pages. So now I'm going to show you how to create the cover. Just go to Google and type KDP cover calculator, and it's going to bring you here. If you don't know how to do it, you can follow this other video that I've already done. I've already shown you step by step how to do this. You just go ahead, you calculate your dimensions, and then you take the template, you upload it to Canva, and then I'll show you how to create your book. If you are having any difficulties, make sure you check out this video. I've uploaded my template. My template is right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just take one of these that I want to use for my cover, and then I'm just going to put it here just like this. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to put something on this side. What I'll do is that I'll just come here and I'll take this and I'll put like this. I'm going to put another one for the spine just like this. So now that I've done this, I'm just going to make the spine red. I can match her color, or I can make it any of these colors. So what you can do is that you can just come here, take this color picker, and take any color that is here already. So let's use that. And then on this other side, I'm just going to also do the same thing just like this, and we can take like purple. So we can do something like this. I think I don't like this green here. I'm just going to take this one right here. So we can have something like this. So we have our cover like that. What I've done is that I've just added some of my pages right here. And so we have the front cover and we have the back cover. So we can just put our title here. So I've made 2 covers here. This one and this one is just the same title, but just different images. I don't know which one you like best. Let me know in the comment section which one you like best. So that is how you can create it. And when you are done with everything, you go ahead and just download your cover and download your book, and then you upload it to Amazon KDP. And if you don't know how to do that, I've already made this video that will show you step by step how to upload your book on Amazon KDP. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down.